to your girl Brittany with BB's Crafts. Thanks so much for hanging out today. I wanted to do a project share. I participated in a swap hosted by Tiffany Crafter Like a Boss McGill over on her Facebook page, Coffee, Cake, and Crafting. And we are to do a mini album. And so basically we just needed to follow the base instructions, so everything would be the same size, but what we did with the pages could be whatever our hearts desired. And for mine, I used this collection, which is the Mint to Be, and it is a hot buy from Michael's from last year. This is one of my favorite hot buys that they did, and absolutely love this collection. So on this front part here, it says when life gives you, and then I have this little branch come out with some lemons hanging from there. So adorable. I love it. So if you don't understand what that means, come on now. And then I added some flowers for Monica, who is scrapping for my boys, and I add that to the cover there. And then on the spine, I added a little lemon here and added some stickles to make that white pop. And then I left the back plain and I added a flower there as well to cover up the ribbon, and then also use my little book corners to make it a little bit more nicer and cleaner. And then let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, and so when we undo it here in the collection, it has one of the pages where it has these really pretty flowers. So what I did was I cut it out and fussy cut it and then turned it into a pocket, so it looks like that. And then I added some cut aparts from the collection. And then I left this untied so that it would be easier for me to get into. So this is tied right here. You can just open up the flaps and you pull here, hanging with the magnet. It opens up that way. And then the other one just opens up in the other end. So it's super cute. And then we flip. And I just left this side plain so she can go ahead and do however she wants on that one. Here I did just a small little waterfall because this album is what, a 6x6 I believe. So I just did a cute little waterfall here for her so she can add her pages or journaling. And then we flip over here, and then this has a magnetic closure as well. And I did a cute little pop-up. Here's one of the journaling cards. It says remember this, and just snaps on closed. And then this one, same thing. I did a little pop-up there as well. And then we turn the page again. And this one, you untie the ribbon and it just opens up on the opposite ends. And then another little plain page right here for her to do whatever she likes. And then lastly, the last interactive one, I have this little veneer heart piece, and you move it up and it opens up this way so she can add her little photos there. And you just move it on down, and you have the top pieces here. And then all together, when it's closed, it says be the sunshine. And then again, I fussy cut out the flowers here and created a pocket, and also added some cut aparts there as well. So that is the book. I really hope that my partner likes what I did. I hope she loves like the whole like spring summer theme that I went here, bringing in some sunshine and whatnot. So I hope you guys enjoyed it too, and I will have the link down below of the album that we had to emulate. I'll have that down below, and otherwise, thanks so much guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!